Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haris Tedi and I'm back with a very important update video for Umrah and for Rawdah Mubarak permits, inshallah. There's some major upcoming changes that are coming starting February 1st, 2025. And I'm going to start with the very first thing. So please make sure to stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and select all alerts so that you can stay up to date with the latest Umrah vlogs, food vlogs, Makkah Medina vlogs, everything, along with updates. Okay, so the very first thing, a major change is coming for Umrah, regardless of your visa type, and this is starting February 1st. Very similar to how it is for Hajj. Now starting February 1st, when you want to go for Umrah, regardless of your visa type, you're going to need some vaccinations. The first one is the meningitis vaccine. You need to have that. And if you've already had it, you need to make sure it's recent. You can get the polysaccharide version or you can get the conjugate version. If you've got it in the past and you know which type it is, keep this in mind. For the polysaccharide vaccine, it needs to be no less than 3 years since you've had it. And for the conjugate type, it needs to be no less than 5 years. And if you're planning to go for Umrah and you don't have this vaccine or you don't meet that date criteria, it must be 10 days prior to your trip. So please, 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 if you're heading for Umrah in February 2025, even if you have a tourist visa, Umrah visa, whatever visa you have and you're going for Umrah, you need to have this. So please, please make sure to have your vaccination up to date. And again, this is the quadrivalent Neisseria meningitis vaccine. Now, I also have some good news along with this vaccine thing I'm going to mention to you for Rawdah Mubarak. As you know, it's been for the past couple of years that you can only get one permit to pray in the noble Rawdah Mubarak in Medina, in Masjid Nabi Sharif. And it's been kind of a struggle for people, who miss their permits and they're coming from, the US, UK, and they miss their permit and they can't attend for a whole year. So it's very unfortunate. Thankfully, the Ministry of Hajj and Umrah has changed this, and now you can actually go as many times as you like. It's unlimited. But you need to keep a few things in mind. You have to be near Masjid Nabi Sharif in order to see the permits. So if you're coming from international and you're not able to log into Nusuk or verify anything or see permits or anything like that or available slots, it's because you need to be, it's GPS activated. You need to be close by the vicinity of Masjid Nabi Sharif in order for it to work. So what I would suggest to do is, I actually made a video on how to create a Nusuk account, and you can see in the top right corner, to get some information on how to make that account. But to verify and get the OTP and all these things, you need to be in Saudi. So just get all the basics done at least, or at least go through the app so you understand how and what you need to do, so that when you're there, you're able to do it and you're not in a rush. And appointment slots show for every 20 minutes, alhamdulillah. So please take advantage of this and try to pray in the noble Rawdah Mubarak as often as you can. But please keep in mind slots for other brothers and sisters as well. But I just wanted to share this good information. Alhamdulillah, this 1 year restriction has been passed, and you don't need to wait one whole year since your last permit, because I'm actually heading for Umrah again, alhamdulillah, in a few days. I'm going to be there, and I just came back from my Umrah trip a few months back, 3-4 months back, alhamdulillah. I'll get the opportunity once again to pray in the noble Rawdah Mubarak, alhamdulillah, inshallah. So if you reach this point of the video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, hit the bell icon, select all alerts. I'm going to be having a lot more videos coming up regarding the Makkah train video that I just posted, and then I have some Medina videos, and then I have some new Umrah videos that are coming up as well with this upcoming trip, inshallah. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Jazakallah khair.